What's up, family? What's up, family? And this is Mr. Steven FS. All right, so I'm gonna make this video very much brief, so we could move to the next segment. All right, this is US30, and if you don't know about US30, okay, US30 is just 30 companies in the US. All right, so it's also, most people also it's also known majorly as Wall Street 30, Don John, Industrial Average. So these are some of the names that your state is actually represented in some of the your trading platform. All right. So and this is TradingView, and we're going to be talking about US30 right now. What is the direction of US30 and how can you take advantage of US30? And this signal, I'm going to be dropping it on my Telegram channel right away. So, and if you missed out, you can watch the video or click on the link to watch the YouTube video. I want you guys to share massively so those who don't know about US30 and who want to take advantage on US30 can do so immediately before it moves. So there are different factors that can actually affect US30. Like I said, like political unrest can affect US30. All right. So, energy prices can actually affect US30. Even war, tariff can affect US30. So I want to take advantage, like I told you, is like 30 US companies. Let me just put it that way. All right, potential US companies, all right, forming US30. All right, so right now we want to look at the overall direction of US30. I'm a professional swing trader and I show you the overall direction of the market. Whatever where you're trading, I'm not saying I'm 100% correct, but I'm 90%, 85% correct all the time. And I can assure you that you're going to be profitable if you follow this page. So you just click on the like button, subscribe, and definitely you're going to also, you know, uh, comment. So once you click on share and you subscribe so that the YouTube algorithm is definitely going to use that video to reach out to people who are actually interested in the video as well. So let's go straight to US30 and the overall direction of the market. So we could see that US30 and has actually been trending. We'll talk about some series of trends and consolidation right here. Okay, so we could see US30 has actually been trending, and it created a double top right here. Then this was the neckline, and it continues this very phase of the market right here. So the highs it actually broke. We could see from time frame, weekly time frame, that it actually broke a particular price level, which was you know a strong psychological level right there. So this was the level it actually broke out from. So this was actually the level US30 broke at. So I'm definitely going to show you how you could take advantage of this very market. And let's continue. Let's do it together. All right. So I don't do this every time, but you know, um, there are some certain things that could restrict me because I don't give every of my information, but at least I believe that some of the information I give, which are very, very useful, you could be able to use them and make money for yourself as a swing trader or as a day trader. Whatever strategy you are trading, all you just need to do is the bias. I said, if I said it's going to go bearish, so just go to your strategy, analyze the market, and look for a bearish bias and take. I'm a professional swing trader. Definitely, I can tell you the overall direction of the market for the week. I'm also a position trader. I could tell you the direction of the market month for 2 months as case may be. All right. So stay calm and let's talk about state. So we could see that your state actually broke this very psychological level. And what it's actually doing is that after the breakout, you know, we probably have a retest before a continuation of a bullish trend. So we're done with the schematics on the weekly time frame. We're going to go to the monthly time frame. Let's see exactly what US30 is actually doing. So we could agree on the monthly time frame that is still very much trending because price, an impulse move, then a correction, then But however, on the weekly time frame, it hasn't completed its correction yet. So although we saw this very right here, and so it created a gap before the new candle actually formed. So that simply means it's definitely going to fill up that and continue and give us, if it's going to buy from this very level, we should be expecting. All right, if your state is going to buy from this very level, we should be expecting some candlestick formation around the very level. Then, sorry. Okay. So like I told you, I'm not a regular form of trader. I just want you to make money, and I'm showing you raw and clear. Okay. So, and always follow my page so you could definitely get updated when it comes to any of these things. And when you trade US30 and you make profit or hit your stop loss, come to my session and let me know. Drop on the comment section. And if you are a swing trader, and definitely this is also the same bias, probably not the same way we analyzed, but you got the same bias, you got the same direction. And whether you're a day trader, it might be a buy on your side, but I'm talking about the overall move. In case maybe the CPI, PPI, whatever market is going to move to this direction, because as a swing position trader, news is our friend. All right, so let's go straight to the screen. And, we have gotten that kind of bias at that point. So simply much, we're going to go straight to our daily time frame. So we could also get to know what is going on around that very level on the daily time frame. So right now on the daily time frame, all eyes on this very psychological level. So on the daily time frame, what we are actually seeing right here on the daily time frame. Remember, all eyes on this very level right here. So this psychological level, all eyes on it. So never forget that. I'm just trying to teach you alongside of I'm just trying to carry you along. So I'm also, you know, showing you the direction of the market. So I don't do this often, but I feel like I should do it. So most of you will definitely get more value as you are watching the video. So I'm a price action trader. I'm not an SMC trader, of course, price action trader. And trade demand and supply, support, resistance, chart pattern, candlestick, whatever you want to do. So, and I want you to watch this video and you're going to see value from it. And so you could take advantage of your steady and the overall direction of your steady. All right. So right now on the daily time frame, we could see that um, on this daily time frame, we could see price has been creating a series of higher highs. That's how the uptrend began. Okay. Then we saw the breakout. So we could see that price actually tested about 3 times off here. Then before it made a breakout. So where after the breakout, it's actually getting the retest. So we could see that the breakout was possible here. So the market is actually giving the richest right here. So before it gets to this very level. So the overall direction is a very small ball. However, we need to take advantage of how we are going to make our entry and our stops. Okay. So right now, this is actually the previous, this was the low before it created a new high. All right. So we got this very touchy right here. Okay, we got this touch right here. And also we got this touch right here. You might not see it, but there was a push up before it actually broke down. So um, it changes the character from a bearish move to a bullish move, so we can complete its retest at this very psychological level we are actually looking at as our point of the previous low right here. So when we're talking about market structure, market creating series of higher highs, you know, so then the previous low that was created before the high was broken is our major point of interest. So there are definitely other lows as well. But the previous low, when this low is broken, then we can consider it as a downtrend. Then it could gain support and retest and continue. All right. So that's exactly what we are looking at for, and we got it right there. So it's as simple as that, and we're taking advantage of US30. So right now we're going to identify the lows, and this is definitely the low. So we got the low right here. So the retest has been done. And now we are actually expecting after the bearish move, the retest. So we're expecting a drop on the US30. So however, what we are seeing here is a rally, base rally. So this actually created a base at this point. So we call this the base. So this is the base, and this is the first rally. So it created this base, so we got the base again. So we got the rally, we got the base that will continue, the market will continue to rally. All right. So the market will continue to rally. So however, we need our stops and our take profit. So we could take advantage and become very much profitable. So let's go straight to the 4 hours time frame. Okay. 4 hours time frame will definitely show us exactly what to do and how we could take advantage of the US30. So this is exactly where the bounce was from. So we're gonna come here, identify our trend a little bit so we can adjust, make proper adjustment. Remember, we were on the daily time frame, so we definitely could not get exactly the trend. So right now, we are actually on it. You can see this was just like a set pressure, but the market corrected himself. So we not just assume, this was the close right here. So exactly what we are looking for. So we saw the price from a bearish move here, then the correction, they were expecting a bearish move. So we're going to come here and take our extension, all right? We're going to take our extension right here from this eye. But before we take our extension, we're going to take the retracement as well. So we're going to come to this eye and down to this eye. So we're expecting that the price rejected at the 30 level, all right, 30% level. So that was the exact level. And when the market reject at 30% level, the trend is very, very strong, guys. It's very, very strong. So we are doing this so we could know where to put our stops and I'll take profit as well. Okay. So I'm going to be very fast before the markets leave me on this video. Okay. All right. So I'm going to be very fast. So, okay. So right now we've gotten retracement level. So this was the 30 level right there. So I'm going to get the extension as well so we can know exactly where our TP is definitely going to be. All right. I'm trying to get the exact price level right there. Okay. So this was the exact price level right there. So we are expecting this drop. All right. So this is the drop, the base, and the drop. So this is the overall direction of your steady. Now take advantage of it. So how do you take advantage of it? Where's the stop loss? You take profit. So let's assume this is the price level right there. So um this is where the market is currently, and your stop should just be above this very level right here, and or this very, you know, um previous low that was created, just put it above right here. So we could get about 1:1, and there's nothing bad. All right, this is just about 1:1 right here. So, but there's nothing bad. You could take advantage of it right now and make money for yourself. So even if price comes to this very level, again, tap in this very level, you could take more entries, all right, and you know, and sell. But price definitely might not do that much because there's already a correction at this point before the impulse. So the highest thing you can do is just, consolidate little from here, then before the jump. But however, you can take your entry, but this is not where it is going to fully. All right. This is not where it is going to fully. So, but this is our major point of interest, okay? Because this is where our 1.618 level is. But on the normal circumstances, this is the full level of the TP. Okay, so we just want to put it here so we can obey our fib level as well. So this gives us about 1 ratio, almost just like 1 ratio 1, and there's nothing bad. And you can reduce your SL to this very level, nothing bad, but I just want to put it just the price level right there. So I could get something very good, is very, very much realistic. Okay, so this is so you can enter manually. This is the stop loss. Okay. This is the stop loss right here. And this is the take profit right here. And if you're on my Telegram channel, you will see the signal. I'm going to drop it on the analysis and the signal on my Telegram channel so you can take advantage right now. Personally, I will be entering US30 right now. And guess what? I'm going to be entering with a very huge lot size and risking about 5% on this US30 because it's going to be crazy. And I'm going to be making cool cash from it. So also wanted to make money from it. You can see how easy the analysis is and, taking advantage of the market. And definitely, this is in 1 hour time frame and definitely see. So all you just need to do is to hold the market until you hit your take profit. As simple as that. Just hold until you hit your take profit. 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 As simple as that. So never be afraid of loss. The market can retrace from here right now. Never be afraid of it. Never be afraid. Always know that there's time for profit, there's time for loss, but the loss should not exceed your profitability. So in trading, there's losses, but it should never accept the fact that there's going to be losses. It's not an holy grail something. So and accept that fact there's going to be losses. But imagine you're trading and you have uh, a win rate of about 80%. So is that loss? Imagine you made $1 million and you are losing $200,000. Is that a loss? Is that really a loss? No, because you still have about $800,000 on your profit level. All right. So see you guys and God bless you. And like I said, this is a take profit. All right, level. This is the stop loss, and this is where the entry was. So you can take advantage of it and make money for yourself. God bless you. See you on the other side. Please click on the share button, like, and comment. Always comment. All right. See you guys, and God bless you. This is the overall direction of US30. And we are taking advantage of US30 right now. And right away, expecting a sell on US30, drop on US 30. So that's exactly what you should be expecting on US30. So we got the drop, the base, and the drop as well. So the moment it does that, that become a retest for the markets to, you know, push up. Remember, on the higher time frame, I can't go back to the higher time frame and explain again. So that's why most of the time I don't do analysis and start explaining. So I just have to do this. God bless you. See you on the other side again. God bless you.